afternoon has completed his elementary education at Sibulan Central Elementary School in 2013, attended junior high school at Negros Oriental until circumstances forced him to pause his studies due to personal challenges and lack of direction. Becoming an out-of-school youth, he returned to education and enrolled at the Alternative Learning System Academy last 2017 and proudly graduated in 2018. He continued to senior high school at Foundation Preparatory Academy and graduated with honors in 2020. He earned bachelor's degree in political science from Foundation University this year, 2025. He consistently included in the Dean's List at Foundation University for 3 consecutive academic years. He was a recipient of the Leadership Award for 2 consecutive academic years. In 2023 to 2025, he served as College of Arts and Sciences representative in Foundation University's student government. He was a board director for non-academics last 2023 to 2024 in Foundation University student government. He was a Foundation University representative as Bataris or Batang Kaparis ni Rizal last 2023 to 2025. He was an active member of TUCMA Foundation University Free Thinkers Association last 2023 to 2024. He was also an active member of Political Science Society of Foundation University from 2021 to 2025. He conducted undergraduate thesis about the political understanding, awareness, and perception, a study of political dynasties among Foundation University undergraduates. He engaged in various workshops, leadership training, and development programs on innovation, human rights, governance, and research, including Foundation University Undergraduates Research Conference, Dumaguete Youth Congress, ASEAN Youth Innovation and Development Forum, FU Parliamentary Procedure Workshop, and Human Rights Youth Champion Incubator. He was invited as resource speaker on basic parliamentary procedure with the Organization of Social Studies Majors last 2024. Completed internship at the Department of Interior and Local Government in Negros Oriental. Now set to pursue a Juris Doctor degree at Foundation University, having successfully passed the entrance examination and panel interview. Now eligible for enrollment, aspiring to become a lawyer. A proud ALS graduate, now returning as a guest speaker to honor the same journey that, according to him, ALS gave him a second chance and lives by the belief that education is not a race, it's a right. Every path, no matter how delayed, is still a path forward. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Mr. Lourdes Marie Amorin. A round of applause, please.